Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can root your Redmi Note 3 and how can you install TWRP recovery or any custom recovery on your phone. So let's begin. Okay, so guys, first of all you need to make sure that your phone's bootloader is unlocked and USB debugging on your phone is on. So to on the USB debugging, just go to about phone section and click on MIUI version 3 to 4 times. Now just go to additional settings and go to developer option. Now turn on the USB debugging from here. Okay, so after doing this you need to connect your phone to the computer. So guys, now you have connected your smartphone to the computer. Now you just have to type the following commands I'm showing you. So guys, these are the files you have to download it. I'll give the link for it in the description. And you have to install this software Mi Flash with DL. I have just installed that. Okay, so you just install it. So guys, after installing the Mi Flash, you have to install this ADB setup file. Just click on run and the blue screen will appear. Just press Y and press enter, then again press Y and press enter. This will install the ADB drivers on your computer. Just click on next and the drivers will be installed. Okay, after that guys, you have to copy these files. This is the ROM file as I am installing the Dubfast on this phone, so I will copy this file. This is the Magisk if you want to root it the phone, and this is the Orange Fox recovery. So you have to just copy these files to the phone. I'll just copy, and I have already copied these files on my phone. So guys, now just press the shift on the keyboard and right click on the mouse, and here you will see the option open command window here. Just open that and type ADB devices and press enter. As soon as you press enter, it will ask for permission on your phone. Just click on OK, and this will give permission to access your phone through ADB command. This will show that your phone is connected to your to the computer or not. Okay, it is showing list. Okay, as you can see here, it is showing me my device. Now just type ADB reboot bootloader. As soon as you will press enter, your phone will reboot into the fast boot mode, like as you can see here. Okay, so guys, after rebooting it to the bootloader, just type the fast boot devices. This will ensure that your phone is connected in the fast boot mode to the computer, and press enter. Okay, it's not showing the phone, that means it is not connected properly. Yeah, as you can see here, it is showing my device. Now just to go to this folder, the downloaded files here. Sorry, just extract these two files, like extract here. Then click on the edl.cmd. As you can see here, now the phone has just blacked out and you can see here this red light lighting up. Now open this Xiaomi Flash tool just that we installed it earlier, and now click here on refresh. As you can see, it is showing the device. Now click here and select, go to the file like the TWRP-ZCX file which we just extracted in the TWRP, and select this TWRP_ZCX folder and click on OK. Now again refresh it, and now click on flash. make sure you have selected this save user data and click on flash. Now this will flash the TWRP recovery on your phone. Okay, as you can see here, this is showing the result success. Now let's go forward to the phone. Okay, so guys, now just disconnect the phone from the computer and press the volume up button and the power button. This will show us the Mi logo here. As you can see, it has booted into the TWRP mode. This is the now follow me. This is in the Chinese one. So just click on this option, go to this here, select the English option and click on this blue button. As you can see, it has gone into English mode. Now you will not be able to install any custom ROM because this is very old recovery and the ROM does not support here. So just open this Orange Fox recovery wherever you have installed, just locate it and select it and just flash this. Now it will reboot into the Orange Fox recovery directly, so just don't feel it. Okay, so guys, now just swipe this and this will say welcome to Orange Fox. Now you just have to flash a custom ROM. If you want to flash a custom ROM, then go to the wipe option and select the Dalvik cache, system and the data. Do not wipe the internal storage. I am telling you, do not wipe the internal storage. Just select this wipe. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, the wipe is successful. Now go back, go to the files and locate wherever you have copied the ROM file, and you also have to copy the GApps file. I forgot to tell you when copy. Now just flash this file, and as you can see here, this is flashing. This will take a while. So as you guys can see here, the installation is successful. Now go back and you also have to flash the GApps. So select whatever the GApps you want to flash. I will give the installation steps in the description, and each ROM has different, like some supports BGApps, some supports OpenGApps. It supports both, but there are some bugs with them. So just flash the OpenGApps also. So as you guys can see, this is also successful. Okay, so guys, now after flashing the ROM and the GApps, now if you want to root your phone, then you have to flash the Magisk zip file. You just flash this Magisk and your phone will be root. So as you guys can see here, it is successful. Now just reboot to system and now your phone will be rooted too. The first reboot will take approx 5 to 10 minutes, or it may take sometimes 10 to 15 minutes also. So you have to wait for that much time. As you can see, it is successfully booting up, and you guys know that what will be my next video. It will be the Dubfest review, so stay tuned for that. Okay, I'll meet you when it boots up. So as you guys can see here, the device just booted, and now just set up the device and voila, you can use the new ROM. So guys, after rebooting the phone, this is, as you can see here, the Magisk Manager app is installed, and now you can just install the modules and all that stuff. And then here, as you can see here, this is the download section, and these are all the Magisk modules. You can just install them directly using Magisk. If you want detailed video on this Magisk and some of the great Magisk modules which are useful, so tell me in the comment section below if you want that video. Okay, so guys, that was it. This is how you can install the custom recovery and flash a custom ROM, and you can also root it. So guys, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel. We are very close to 1000 subs, so guys, let's do it. And if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below and suggest me some videos. What ROM videos do you want? I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and goodbye.